Hey everyone, welcome to Tech. Today I'm showing you how to enable one-handed mode on your iPhone using the reachability feature. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This is where you'll find all your iPhone accessibility options. Next, tap on Touch under the Physical and Motor section. Here you'll see an option called Reachability. Simply toggle the switch to turn it on. This is Apple's one-handed mode that brings the top of your screen down within thumb reach. Now, to actually use one-handed mode, just swipe down on the bottom edge of your screen. If you have a home button iPhone, lightly double tap the home button instead. The screen will shift down, making everything accessible with one hand. To disable one-handed mode, simply swipe up. And that's it. You've successfully enabled iPhone one-handed mode. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech for more quick iPhone tips and tricks.